Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In episode 16 today we'll talk about meeting new people. So let's get started. A good question that will start this topic is, do you like meeting new people? Please do not say yes. No. You would say, a real simple answer, I do enjoy meeting new people. It's a chance to learn about different perspectives and make new connections. But I want you to be saying something like this. Meeting new people is something I generally enjoy. It's an opportunity to broaden my social circle and engage in diverse conversations. How do you feel when people welcome you? When people welcome me, it makes me feel appreciated and valued. It's a warm and inviting experience. Or, being welcomed by others brings a sense of warmth and inclusion. It's a gesture that creates a positive atmosphere. Do you often meet new people? Yes, I do. I try to put myself out there and engage with new people whenever the opportunity arises. Absolutely. I make an effort to interact with new individuals regularly, as it helps me expand my social network. Can you tell me if you like someone when you meet them for the first time? Yes, I think so. First impressions give me a sense of whether I might get along with someone. To some extent, yes. Interacting provides me with about compartmentability and whether there's potential for connection. So, not very many questions today. We're going to get straight on to the story. In this, we're going to discuss the topic of meeting new people. It is intended for you to read along with me and hopefully gain some new insight into the topic that you can then bring into your own answers and questions later on. Meeting new people expands our social horizons. New conversations introduce fresh viewpoints. We can learn about different cultures and values and life experiences. A heartfelt welcome creates a sense of well-being. It fosters a comfortable environment and encourages individuals to express themselves freely. Being open-minded leads to more meaningful connections. Forming opinions upon the first meeting is natural, as initial impressions can be nuanced and misleading. But meeting new people is expanded on online platforms. Virtual introductions offer convenience and accessibility. The absence of face-to-face interaction can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. This all lays the foundation for lasting friendship and exchanges of ideas. Genuine interaction are core to building relationships. Truly listening, sharing, and connecting on a personal level. Right. Next up, we have a set of vocabulary that you can use and incorporate into your language. As you can see on the slide, the words at the top, we have a definition and there's also an example sentence. I shall only be reading for pronunciation reasons the actual word or phrase. Social horizons. Chance encounter. Belonging and acceptance. Positive interaction. Open-minded. Nuanced impression. Body language. Face-to-face interaction. Virtual introductions. Authentic connections. Enrich one's life. Now, onto the paraphrasing exercises. We have questions, statements, and, as always, descriptions. I like meeting new people because it broadens my horizons. I enjoy interacting with unfamiliar individuals and expands my perspectives. Meeting people from various cultures is enriching. Engaging with individuals of diverse backgrounds adds depth to my experiences. Personal connections with others contribute to our growth. And forming interpersonal relationships plays a role in our personal development. And there's the descriptions. Thank you very much for being with me today. I'll see you on the next one.